So here's Walkpay app. So let's just take a look at it. So Walkpay, walk and earn rewards. So here is the app where you can just earn some money and cash in your steps. Walk and earn rewards. Walk every step and earn real rewards. Get motivated, stay active, and unlock exciting prizes. Walkpay is a smart pedometer and motivation tool that turns your daily steps into valuable rewards. Stay active, complete tasks, and collect energy to redeem gift cards and real-life prizes, all by simply walking. Smart step counter, reward system, redeem exciting prizes, goal tracking, energy-efficient design, basic location support. So here's just, let's open it up. So then basically there are a lot of ads. There are some bonuses which you can open. You can open some blind box, and then this is just what you get. And then you see some prizes. Then you can see how many steps you earned in top right. So you can see in here, 119 steps, $1.72. And then of course I already syncing it with my Apple Health app. And then if you earn 30,000 energy, you can exchange it for $30, Amazon or PayPal. And then you have withdrawal methods like PayPal, Payoneer, Amazon, Mastercard, Cash App, Visa, Line Pay, PayPay. And then you see tasks. You can watch more videos. You can see some lucky slot, drink water, stab goals, receive energy. And then there are some chests which you can claim, plus 250. And that's then just watching videos. And that's kind of the idea. There is no referral things in here. So that's just what you're getting. And then there's your withdrawal record. And then you can just see in here just like that. So yeah, that's what it is. You can see, okay, so guys, after trying this app, I just need to say there are so many annoying ads in this app. So, usually these apps monetize in the way that the moment you want to withdraw, literally, you will need to watch like 10 different ads, like 6 seconds each. So, and then it becomes super annoying. And that's what it is. But overall, you can try this app.